Hey guys, this is a baby and ivy that me and the boss have poured. They're both out of cement. That's our regular mix on him, and that's a little bit quicker, faster stuff. Rapid set, and it's just painted white. But anyway, there's flaws in both of them. This one's probably our better looking one, and that one's got flaws too. I'm gonna jack them up, maybe 3/4 of an inch all the way around with clay, and fill in some bad spots or build up some new spots and add some kind of texture paint. I'm not liking this, and I'm not going to make a mold out of half-ass shit. Alright, see you guys. Okay guys, it was a little dark out here, but this is like a sunroom or whatever, air conditioning that blows out here. That's the two baby and ivies. I got them up there drying so I can work on them. And that's where I vulcanize my rubber. Alright, see you.